So, do you know the difference between digital marketing and traditional media marketing? If not, stick with me till the end of this video, because what I'm going to tell you in this video is very value based and will help you make correct decisions of how to market your business. Hi guys, I'm Ravina. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I speak all about digital marketing, how to grow your digital marketing strategies. I help digital creators, influencers, entrepreneurs and businesses to level up their digital marketing skills and strategies based on crucial algorithms. So let me tell you the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Well, to be very biased, I am everything about digital marketing, and so I prefer that you always market whatever you want to on a digital marketing platform or source. But for me to make sense to you, it also is very important for me to give you a fair idea about how traditional marketing can market your business and how digital marketing can market your business, so you have a clear view of the differences between the two and you can choose for yourself as well. Digital marketing is decades old and not many people know about this. Not even the digital creators, digital marketers working in the industry right now know that radio marketing and television marketing is a form of digital marketing. Yes, and therefore I vouch for digital marketing more than print media marketing. Here are the reasons. Reason being, traditional marketing is very limited based on reach, and in comparison, digital marketing is not very narrowed down in reach. It is, if I may say, it is unlimited in reach, and people can go back to it and reach to it when they want to. So SEO and digital marketing, when it comes to SEO, when people search for a certain content or certain market or certain product or everything, if it is based on a digital marketing platform which is based on SEO, the reach becomes infinite. Coming to point number 2 is traditional marketing is geographically restrictive, whereas digital marketing has no geographical limitations. You can market a product in anywhere all around the world based on digital marketing. Many regional newspapers that people subscribe to on the monthly basis, and not many people prefer reading English newspapers. This is just an example of newspaper as a traditional marketing and its geographical limitation. Coming to point 3 is versatile versus non-versatile. Traditional marketing is largely non-versatile, whereas digital marketing is largely versatile. Coming to the lifespan of digital marketing and traditional marketing. Traditional marketing has a lifespan that is very short. Again, taking examples of newspapers, the lifespan of a newspaper is about 12 hours or 24 hours. Lifespan of marketing is immortal. If there is a promotion on Facebook, if you remember the name, you can go back to its website, you can go back to its profile, you can purchase again. The mortality or the lifespan of digital marketing is immortal. Expenses and budgeting. Traditional marketing, compared to its all the above are the drawbacks of traditional marketing, and compared to those drawbacks, traditional marketing is way too much expensive, whereas digital marketing is when compared is cost efficient, and because of its lifespan and long term endurance, the cost is it is used efficiently in digital marketing. So traditional marketing and a target audience is a dream. If you market traditionally, you don't know who your audience is, if your audience is indulging in the services you are providing, indulging in the products that you are providing. But when it comes to digital marketing, you can choose a target audience and your advertisements or your marketing strategies will and products will only reach the people that are looking for your product or your service, and hence making digital marketing having an tangible reach and having a target audience, whereas traditional marketing having an undefined audience. So when it comes to traditional marketing and digital marketing, the ROI, return of investment, is very low. In traditional marketing, you cannot measure the ROI based on how many people your marketing actually affected. If you have given an advertisement in the newspaper and at the same time you gave an digital marketing ad of a handbag, suppose, you will not know how many of them came to you in your shop and bought that thing. But if you have a digital marketing campaign running for the same bag and people purchase it from the online platform or the link that you have provided or the coupon that you have generated digitally and show it in your shop, you have proof of your ROI marketing and its impact, like how has it impacted, is it evergreen or not. Digital marketing has been evergreen from Amul's ad that Amul Doodh Peeta Hai India till the Maggi ad which is Mama Kya Acha Bana Rahi Ho. But traditional marketing is disposable. Even if आज newspaper read करने की इच्छा नहीं हुई, the newspaper straight goes into the pasti bundle and it becomes instant trash or instant wastage of your marketing strategies. Hence traditional marketing weighs very low in importance for me personally, but I have given you an outlook of what I have understood being a digital marketer for 5 years, and the return of investment and interest that I have seen people gain from digital marketing. I would suggest you always use digital marketing over traditional marketing whenever possible. So guys, if you've liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to know more about digital marketing, anything related to social media, anything related to content, anything related to jobs in a digital marketing agency, please hit me up in the comments. Go follow my social media platforms below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I'm going to bring much more valuable content next month as well. Bye guys, see you next week.